Today, in North Little Rock, Arkansas, we have the pleasure of visiting Falk Plumbing Supply, where two very special guests are here to tell us a little bit about how MicroSilk by Jason Hydrotherapy has changed the quality of their life for the better. For as long as she can remember, 8-year-old Alayna Jones has suffered from eczema. Before finding MicroSilk, Alayna and her family struggled to find relief for her. This is how Jason Hydrotherapy eased their way.
My name is Whitney Jones from Humnoke, Arkansas, and this is my daughter, Alayna. Hi. Most people don't understand the severity of eczema. And some people don't have it quite as severe as we had, but it takes your life completely over. I mean, it's something that from the time you get up in the morning to the time you go to bed at night, it's what you do. It's what you are concerned with. It's every activity of the day revolves around that. It's hard to watch your child. It's more painful than I think people understand. And when you say that it itches, it's an itch that doesn't ever go away. And we've been through a lot. And she's been really bad for a lot of years.
Before the tub, I would put socks on my hands, and I would have to wrap up in like a burrito and wear wet pajamas.
They always told us, we finally found a doctor who said that they need to be moist. Their skin needs the extra moisture. And so he said to get cotton pajamas, wet them, and then put dry pajamas on top. And she slept in wet pajamas, and she would usually wake up halfway through the night screaming that she was cold. We did that for a long time. We have seen several dermatologists. I think we started that when she was 6 months old. We have an allergy doctor who we love. We have seen pediatrician after pediatrician. We have seen anybody that would see us that we thought could help, and they have given us creams, ointments, medicine to take by mouth. It's just, we've tried everything. We decided to do quite a large remodel of the house because the doctor said that she needed no carpet and only hard surfaces. So we ripped out the carpet, and from there it grew to a full remodel, and we decided to put in a soaking tub for Alayna. And our plumber brought in a book, and it was a Jason tub book. And honestly, I had never heard of Jason tub. And I thumbed through the book, picked out the specs for the tub, and was just about to call him to order it. And as I was opening the book back up, I saw the words eczema and psoriasis, and those aren't words that you see in a bathtub book. And so I began to read a little closer, and it said that there was a technology called MicroSilk that was brand new, and it had been shown to be effective to help in eczema. I had never seen anything like it, and I was very intrigued. And I started to cry because we had been through so many doctor's appointments, so many creams, so many heartbreaks over something working, and then it quit. And it seemed like the answer, and we ordered one, like in a week. The day that we brought her in, she was very red and very itchy, and we put her in the tub for 20 minutes. And I'll be honest with you, I was very skeptical because doctors had told us time and again things that would help, and it didn't help. And so I was sort of skeptical. I wanted to make sure before I spent the money that it was going to work. But I had hope. And we put her in the tub. We ran it for a 20-minute cycle. We took her out, and her skin looked like it had actually never looked before. It was milky white. The redness was gone. The patches of dry were gone. The doctors told us that we needed to concentrate on keeping her skin moist, which is almost impossible with eczema patients because they don't make the ceramide, and so their skin doesn't naturally hold its own moisture. So it's very difficult. If you put lotion on a child's hand that has eczema, it's gone within minutes. It doesn't hold it. They also told us it's very important to keep it clean because infection is horrible, and we dealt with that a lot. And they also said that for her to be able to sleep, she needed to be able to relax. And relaxation was not ever there without, before the tub. And the MicroSilk tub checks off all three. It moisturizes the skin. It deep cleanses the pores with very little soap, maybe not even any. And it relaxes her like I've never seen. No medication has relaxed her like the tub has. Thank you, Jason. What about watching TV in the tub?
It's really fun to watch TV in the tub because you can watch whatever movie you want because you have Netflix.
Do you trick me sometimes and start another one so you can stay in the tub?
Yes, I do.
As far as what is your favorite place to be in the house?
My favorite place to be in the house is the tub.
Is it your tub or my tub?
It's my tub.
It's her tub. When people come to see the house, she shows them her tub.